my beautiful ladies, how are you? I hope you're having a lot of fun, and today I'm here to talk about a beautiful foundation. Yes, a foundation that I recently got as a sample, but that is a foundation I have used on a lot of my brides, a foundation that is amazing for this weather that is going on right now, a foundation that I truly recommend for self makeup vanity and bridal makeup vanity, and that is Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. I recently got this as a sample with my Sabyasachi lipstick, and it gave me all the memories of that time when I was using this foundation. It was amazing. मैं आज इस फाउंडेशन को ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ कैमरा पे. इस फाउंडेशन से रिलेटेड हम बातें करेंगे उन चीज़ों की कि कैसे इस फाउंडेशन को आपको अप्लाई करना है, किस वेदर में इस तरीके के फाउंडेशन को आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये एक मैट फाउंडेशन है. इस फाउंडेशन के बारे में काफ़ी रिसर्च भी हुई है और यहाँ मेंशन किया हुआ है that 91% of women said that it smooths their pores immediately and 89% says it controls their oil. Obviously, it's a matte foundation, it will control their oil, and 93% of women feels lightweight on the skin after applying this foundation. So I have got these shades. So I'll swatch all of these and we will apply one of these that will match to my skin tone, and we are going to talk a lot about it. So without a further delay, let's get started. I hope you are subscribing to my channel. I have been putting content daily these days. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And now let's talk about Estee Lauder. So this is an oil-free 24-hour lightweight wear, waterproof and transfer-proof formula, which is really good. All three of these qualities we want in a bridal makeup, and if you're going to a party in this weather, we definitely want these qualities, right? So for the base, I want to apply my embroilies. This is my carry-away bottle. Embroilies is one moisturizer that works as a primer as well, and I apply it majorly under all bases. So this acts as a basic foundation for my trial videos actually. This is what Rattan looks like. Tawny, Cashew. Can you see the difference between all three of them? Tawny looks almost matching to my skin tone. For color correction, I am taking my NARS concealer. This is a hydrating concealer. बहुत ज़्यादा कंसीलर नहीं लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि ये एक फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन है, तो मैं टेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि कितने अच्छी तरीके से पूरा बेस मेरा कवर करेगा, पिगमेंटेशन भी कवर करेगा. Taking little by little from the back of my hand and I'll start applying it. I have pores on my forehead, so I'll test that how it smoothens the pore out as well, which is again a property of a matte foundation. When we talk about a matte foundation, we are actually talking about how it controls shine. But the thing with matte foundation is if you're going to use it on a dry skin, it will take out the oil that is needed in the skin and will make your skin look excessive dry. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर आप एक matte foundation एक ड्राई या कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपको प्राइमर्स एक्सेसिवली अप्लाई करने पड़ेंगे टू मेक द फाउंडेशन sit nicely on the skin and it should not break. With foundation, without foundation, when I'm applying it, it is giving a little bit of sheen. It is easy to apply, not making me work too much to blend it into the skin. I use this foundation a lot from April till August. It is beautiful, okay? But during winters, we have to work hard because we get a lot of dry skin. Then we have to do a lot of prepping and priming. So I kind of give a break to this foundation in those months. This is what it looks like after applying. You can see it looks beautiful. It has covered almost everything on my face. I cannot see anything. The mattifying property in this is making my pores look smoother actually, I would say. The smoother is the correct word. Now on full coverage foundation, I don't like to apply compacts. I just apply a loose powder, like a loose setting powder. I just take it on the back of my hand and just buff it and roll my brush like that. Powders also pulls out the oil from your skin, which means if you'll apply too much of powder on a matte foundation, it may make your skin feel and look very dry and dull. So make sure you don't do too much of powdering on your face when you're using a matte foundation, okay? Compacts also do the same, so make sure you're using lesser, very thinner compact. Don't use very thicker compact like matte compact under a very matte foundation which has full coverage. Now when it comes to spraying the face, setting the face, you are using a matte foundation. बहुत ज़्यादा मैटिफाइंग स्प्रेज ना लगाएं. कोशिश कीजिए कि कोई एक नॉर्मल सेटिंग स्प्रे यूज़ कीजिए, जैसे कि मैक फिक्स प्लस हो गया. वो सेटिंग स्प्रे नहीं है, वो हाइड्रेशन देता है, बट सेटिंग स्प्रे के लिए मैं अर्बन डिके यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. सेटिंग स्प्रेज ऑप्शनल होते हैं, बट when we do bridal makeups we don't skip setting sprays because वो आपके फेस से एक पाउडरी फीलिंग हटाते हैं एंड इट सेटल्स एवरीथिंग नाइसली ऑन योर फेस. आई लाइक द फीलिंग ऑफ सेटिंग स्प्रेज and I don't skip that. So now after the base, I can see it looks pretty intact. Wherever you apply, it stays there only. It doesn't budges, it doesn't moves. I can take the guarantee that this foundation doesn't goes anywhere for good 12 hours. I had brides calling me up and asking me how to remove the foundation. It won't go anywhere. Okay, one thing is there that I have a dry forehead and I can actually see that it is pulling some oil from my skin and it is making it look more drier. For that, it is my fault. I know that I have a dry skin. If I'm applying a matte foundation, it will make it appear like that. So I had to prime a little bit extra. इसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी की बात हम कर चुके हैं. For the price point, it is for 4300 for 30 ml, which is pricey, but this is extremely worth it. I would say इस फाउंडेशन के साथ साथ आप एक और फाउंडेशन अपनी वैनिटी में रखोगे जो कि हाइड्रेटिंग होगा. इस फाउंडेशन के साथ साथ आप अगर ब्राइडल वैनिटी बनाना चाहते हो तो आप हाइड्रेटिंग कंसीलर्स भी अपने साथ रखोगे. अगर आप सेल्फ वैनिटी के लिए इसे लेना चाहते हो तो मेक श्योर यू हैव an oily skin and you are using it in correct weather, because in India weather changes a lot. In winters we also face dry skin. Even the oily skin people, they face dry skin as well. Coming on to the next point, जब भी हम बात करते हैं किसी matte foundation की, we need to make sure that we are priming properly, we are using concealers properly. I have recently faced a problem with a student who was using matte concealers with matte foundation and that was leading to the breakage of the base. So you make sure if you have combination skill and not too much oil producing skin, specifically under the eyes, you are using hydrating creams so that this should not क्रिएट ब्रेकेज इन योर बेस. अदरवाइज मैट कंसीलर के ऊपर मैट फाउंडेशन लगाओगे तो आपका बेस पक्का अंडर द आईज, अराउंड द माउथ और फोरहेड पे फटेगा ही फटेगा. So you need to make sure of that as well. So now the last point is packaging, and I know that this foundation doesn't comes with a pump which may lead to wastage of the foundation. So you need to take out the foundation only the amount that is required, otherwise the other part of it gets wasted and it sometimes becomes messy as well. That can be a drawback of this foundation. Otherwise I like this, it is totally worth it. You need to keep a hydrating foundation in your vanity along with this foundation. I think I have cleared all the points. In case if you have further any point related to this foundation, you can let me know. It has 50 plus shades. If in case I'm missing something, I know you are there to help me out. Thank you for watching this one. I shall see you again. Bye bye.